Welcome, students. Let we start a fourth unit. Unit number 4 Economic Law.
Yeah. Meaning of IPR, intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights refers to general from the assignment of a property's rights through patents, copyrights, and trademarks. This property rights allows the holders to exercise a monopoly on the use of items for a specific period. Next, the main purpose of a intellectual property law is to encourage encourage the creations of large varieties of intellectual goods. To achieve this law gave a people and a business property rights to the information and intellectual goods they create usually for limited period of a time because they can earn a profit from them. This gives a economic incentive for their creations. Types of intellectual property are intellectual property rights. Types of intellectual property rights. Let's see one by one. First, copyrights. It is a large term used to describe the rights that creations over their over their literary and artistic works. Works covered by a copyrights range from books, music to computer programs, maps, etc. Also protected through copyrights. It is to encourage and rewarded creative works. The creative works include, for example, computer software, drawing, mapping, drawing, maps, charts, or plans. Next, photography and films, etc. This and all covered under the copyrights. Next, Patent. In the case of patents, the property consists of a exclusive rights to use the invention patented invention patented, to grant license to others to exercise that rights or to get that rights to third party. This patent. Next. Okay. Third point, industrial design. Industrial design protect a provided for a shape, configuration, surface pattern, color, or line, or a combination of this, which when applied to a functional articles functional article proceed produce or aesthetics increase aesthetics and improve a improve visual appearance of a design. To it a two dimensional or three dimensional article. Two dimensional improve the visual improve the visual appearance of the design. Do it a two-dimensional or three-dimensional articles. Next we will see next point. The fourth point is trademark. Trademark is a work Trademark is a word, phrase, symbol, or design that distinguish the source of product. Distinguish the source of product, trademark, or service service mark of one business from its competitors in other in in order to qualify for a patent protection. The mark must be di- distinctive distinctive mark must be distinctive. For example, the For example, the Nike swash design. The Nike swash design identified identified athletic athletic footwear made by the Nike only. For example, for example, Nike swash design identifies the athletic footwears made by Nike. Let's we see next point. Fifth point is trade secret. Fifth point is Fifth point, trade secret. Trade secret is a formula, process, device, or other business information that company keep private to give them a business advantage over their competitors. Geographical indication. Their design, their sixth point. Sixth point, geographical indication. Their sign, their sign used on that have a specific geographic origin or a possess qualities, possess qualities, a reputation that are essential attributed to that place of origin. That place of origin. Next, meaning of invention. Under section 2, subsection 1 of subsection J of the Patent Act 2005 defines the invention as a new product or as process involving in a inventive step or a capable of a industrial applications. Under the Act, a new invention under the Act, a new invention is defined under section 2, subsection 1 of subsection of the Patent Act. New invention means any invention or a technology which has not been which has not been which has not been anticipated by publication in any document or used in a country or a essential where in the used in a country or a essential where in the world before the date of filing of patent application with complete specification. The subject matter has not fallen in a public domain. Public domain. Public domain. The world before the date of filing of a patent application with complete specification. The has not subject matter has not fallen in a public domain or that it does not form part of a state state of the art. Next, it should three prerequisites. First, novelty. Second, non-abuseness. Non-abuseness. Third point is usefulness. Next, the non-invention. Let's we see non-invention. Under Section 3 of a Indian Patent Act 1970, falling are not patentable in India. Abusely contrary, abusely contrary to well-established natural law. An invention that is frivolous or that claims anything obviously contrary to established natural laws. Next point, an invention, the primary or a intended use of which would be contrary to law or majorly morality. Okay, contrary to law or morality or injurious to public health. Okay, which would contrary to, sorry, an invention, the primary or intended use of which would be contrary to law or morality or injurious to public health. Next, mere discover of a scientific principle or a formulation of abstract theory. Abstract theory. The mere discovery of any new property or new use for known substance or of the mere use of known process, machine or appear new re- one new rea- reactant, one new reactant. Such known process results in a new product or implies at least a new res- reactant. Next, a substance obtained by a admixture, mere admixture resulting only in the aggregation of properties of competent thereof or process for producing such substance. Next point. Next point. Arrangement or a rearrangement or a dupli- duplication of known device, each functioning independently of one another known way. Next, a method of agriculture or horticulture. Next point, invention relating to atomic energy. Invention related to atomic energy. Invention relating to atomic energy. Any process for medical relating to atomic energy. Any process for medical, surgical, corrective, surgical, corrective, propsychotic, propsychotic, um, any process for medical, surgical, corrective, or other treatment of human being or animals. Next point. Plants and animals in whole or any part of other than microorganisms. Next point. Mathematical or a business method or computer program Percy or a algorithms. Next point. Literary, dramatic, literary, dramatic, musical or a artistical work, cinematography work, television production or any other aesthetic aesthetic creations. Next, mere schemes or rules or methods of performing mental act or playing games. Last, third point, precision precision of information, topography of integrated circuits, topography, topogra- topography, topography of integrated circuits. Last point, an invention which affect a traditional knowledge traditional knowledge are based on the property of a tradition knowledge. This and all come under the not patent rule. Next, procedure to get a patent. A patent is a legal right. Patent is a legal right that confers monopoly to a person for his or her invention. For his or invention. According to Patent Act 1970, an invention must fulfill the three categories. Must be fulfill the three categories. Let's see one by one. First, person entitled to apply for a patent. Apply for patent. What and all? First, true or first inventor. First satisfaction. True or first inventor. His or as a his or assignee assignee or last point legal representative. Last point legal representative. Next, what is the procedures to get procedures? That is uh, satisfaction to apply for a patent. Only applying for a patent, not a procedure. But just we should satisfy three items. Let's we see deeply what and all procedure, what and all satisfaction they need. First, first it must be a new product. It must be a new product or a process that did not previously exist. Yeah, let's see. It must be offer new. Okay. Second point. Second, it must offer a new technical improvement. It must be offer a new technical improvement as simple changes changes to a previous knowledge technique cannot be a patent. Okay. Next, third point. The proposed third point. The proposed invention. The proposed invention must be useful for a for a inst- for instance a patent cannot be generated. Patent cannot be generated for a invention that can only be used for a illegal or a immoral purpose, which and all used for a once product or process is patented, it cannot be commercial produced commercial produced commercial produced, distributed, used or sold without a consent of a patent owner. Once a product or a process is patented, it cannot be commercial produced, distributed, used or sold without the consent consent of a patent owner. India grant a patent right on first to apply basis. India grant a patent rights on first to apply basis. The application for a patent can be made by either the inventor, second, or assign, assignee or a legal representative of inventor. First, inventor or a legal representative of the inventor. Patent application may also be made jointly by two or more corporations assignee as assignee. A foreign national resident can also apply and obtain patent in India. File file the patent application and get its new. numbered. Patent registration process are a process to apply for patent. First, apply the patent application and get it numbered. Next, required request for a publication by filing form. Filing a form. If the request is not made, the patent specification will be published in a official journal. Official journal after 18 months. After 18 months from the date from the application date. On the other hand, by making a request, patent specification done be can be patent specification by making request. Patent specification can be published within month from filling form. From filling form within month we can get the patent. Next point, request for examination within 48 months from the date of filling of a patent application. Request for ex- request for expedited examination of patent application can be made by paying extra fees. Next, within 12 to 24 months within 12 to 24 months of filling a request for examination, the first examination report is issued and procedure and procedural objective regarding a patent. This report may rise substantive or a procedural procedural objection regarding patent. Next, if objection are raised, if objections are raised, the patent applicant must comply with the statement of objection within 6 months from the date of the report. Next, if the official objection are met, if official object are met in due to period, the patent is granted and present for opposition. Patent is granted and presented for option opposition. Sorry, the patent is granted and presented for a opposition. Last point, the patent is open for third party option. Patent is open for third party option, if any, for a period of 1 year from the date of the advertisement. For a period of 1 year from the date of the advertisement. A patent once granted, a patent once granted is valid for 20 years and required renewal every year from the third year of the date of application. Restoration or surrender of lapsed patent. A patent is granted for term of 20 years from the date of the filling of a patent according to section 53 of Indian Patent Act. Patentee has to pay renewal fees till the date of the possession till the date of the possession given by patent office. If renewal or maintenance fees not if renewal or maintenance fees not paid by patent holder within a prescribed time given by patent office, patent will be lapsed. If means maintenance or renewal fees is not paid, patent will be lapsed under section 53. Next, let's we see one by one what and all reason may be. First, where any patent has case owing to failure of patentee to pay any prescribed fees within a prescribed time, patentee may apply for a registrate in a prescribed manner for an order for the restor- restoration of the patent. Restoration of the patent. Next, every such application will contain a statement of a circumstances which have led to the omission of the payment of the prescribed fees.